Hi, I'm Melanie, and today I'm showing you how to make this lovely ribbon star that I like to add to my Christmas decorations, particularly as a topper for the balloon Christmas trees that I make. I'm using this lovely 2.5-inch wide tartan patterned ribbon, and I'm cutting a piece that is 8 inches long. Cut 5 8-inch long pieces. Fold one of your strips in half and cut the end to a sharp point. And do the same thing on the other end. And then repeat this stage for your other 4 pieces. Fold one of your pieces in half, bringing the wrong sides together. Fold the long edge upwards towards the centre and make a crease. Turn the ribbon over and do the same thing with the other long edge. Smooth firmly along the folds to create sharp creases. Repeat this stage for your other 4 pieces. Pinch hold of one of your pieces at the centre. Gather your next piece at the centre and add it to the first piece. Keep hold of both pieces at the centre and add the remaining 3 pieces, ensuring that the creases in each piece stay sharp. Connect the pieces of ribbon together by tightly wrapping some thin florist ribbon around the centre of your bundle. Twist together the ends of the wire tightly and snip away any excess with some bunch cutters or florist snips. I'm decorating the centre of my star with these wired berries, which come in a variety of colours, and I'll leave a link in the description below to where you can find these. And just wrap the wide berry around the centre of your bundle. And I'm adding more gold berries to build up the centre pattern of my star. I'm now opening up the sections of my star and emphasising any creases that require it. So the great thing about these trees is they're going to take up no storage space during the year, and every holiday season you can be absolutely up to date with the latest colour. You can have a different colour scheme every season. So I'm just going to bend the wires around a little bit and then place them on the top and just pressure fit them around the back here.